Hi there, Ivana here, and everywhere I turn, someone is recording their video inside of their car, so I thought I'll just do the same thing. Now listen, a friend of mine, Ram, recently approached me saying that he's been having a ton of success with YouTube ads. So I asked him, can he share a proof with me, and here is his recent proof. Now that is impressive, right? I thought so too. So the next question was, how are you doing it? He said, Ivana, it's very simple. You just need to match the right audience with the right offer and you are going to make sales. So I said, okay, fine. Do people have to create a ton of videos to make this work? And he said, no, you don't have to create any videos whatsoever. And it's very, very easy to implement. So he shared over the document on how he's doing it, and I was really impressed. So I asked him to really put it into step-by-step method and provide over-the-shoulder videos. And that is exactly what he's done. Now, you might be wondering, is it going to cost you a ton of money to get started? Actually, it's not. You can get started today for free because you can get $75 free of charge credit to see how this all works. Sounds good? Then all you have to do right now is click on the Buy Now button and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Bye-bye.